Yeah! Today we had to go to Comayagua to the airport to pick up Ben's boss, Sam. He's been back in the States. Also, got Isai back here.
He's half asleep.
Yeah, anyways, we're going to a waterfall. Should be good. Should be fun. Tried to go to it last time I was here and it was not open. And there was like some sort of holiday or something going on. But anyways, hopefully it's open today. We just made it to the waterfall, getting ready to go down. Probably gonna go take a little dip in this water because, oh my gosh, it looks incredible. Yeah! Yeah, I got that. Oh, alright. I gotta get in. Oh, that water's cold! Woo! Oh, this water feels so good. Ben's trying to climb over here. It's all wet lock. That's not gonna end well.
Throw your left hand over and grab that hole. Bring it up! I'm working on a drip irrigation system for the garden so that it's easier to irrigate, and till we get our well, I use a lot of water. Saves water, waters the plants better, and tomatoes, they hate their leaves getting wet, and so it causes a lot of diseases like some of the yellowing on those other tomatoes. So my goal is to eliminate that. So I saw this on YouTube, so figured I'd make it.
So basically, you're just gonna have like holes.
Yeah, drilled. These no holes obviously, and then these there'll be holes every like 2 feet.
Okay.
With a 1 16th drill bit, so it's not a ton of water coming out.
Rio!
Oh.
Rio!
Rio! What is that? What is that?
Hi, Rio!
It's a fancy camera. Rio, what is that?
What is that,
Is
Rio?
that Uncle Zach's camera? Hey. Oh, he ran away. Rio, come here.
Oh, Rio. Like that. And then go, I'll leave my measuring tape. Then you go 6.
Okay, so Ben had to go back to the hardware store, and I'm basically here running the drill. Like Ben said, we're running an irrigation system through here to water everything a lot simpler, a lot easier, save a lot more water. Over here with the beans, I'm having to do like 2 to 3 inches apart on the holes. And on the tomatoes, I'll do like a foot spacing in between. Once we get all the holes drilled, we're basically gonna turn everything upside down, and the water is just gonna flow straight into the beds. Yeah, pretty cool system. All right, Ben got back from the hardware store. We reconfigured the irrigation system to make it a little more uniform. Basically, we've got it set up to where each individual one has like a shut-off valve. Yeah, it just looks a lot better than what we had previously going on. And that way, whenever we run water through it, basically you can turn on or off each individual bed. So if one isn't getting enough water, you can cut off this one and basically just send the water to that bed and on down the line. Basically a lot more uniform and makes a lot more sense. Once this all comes together, it's gonna make things a lot easier on Ben, not having to come through and spray everything with the garden hose. You basically just turn on the water and turn on and off valves when you need to, and it'll water all the beds for you. It's lunchtime, we're gonna go get some PB&J. But yeah, project's going good. Once we finish with lunch, we'll get back to it. I think the game plan is probably gonna be just get all the PVC laid out, and then we'll go back through and drill all the holes. Yeah, hopefully we can check it out and see if it works. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works.
You gotta keep.
Please let that fix it. Go on, baby. Oh, I hear it. I hear it flowing. Oh, there it goes, son. That one's going. Why isn't that one going? Oh, there it goes.
They're taking a second.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah. We just tested out a few of these lines here. Water's coming out of them. It's actually pretty cool to see it in action. Doesn't even look like it's gonna take that long of having the water turned on to water these beds. I mean, they're already filling up. You can see, I mean, they're getting plenty of water.
That's pretty cool. Say some of our beds, once we're running all of them, aren't getting enough pressure. Cut this one.
It basically just sends more to the next one.
Yep. Cut this one.
Oh! Ah! You got me. That thing's shot.
That's not
Far.
even pressurized.
Bro, this is sick.
And then when you're done, come over here.
We have to go to the hardware store because Ben dropped the drill bit.
After I told him, be careful with the drill bit because it's tiny and it's fragile. I knocked it off the truck.
So yeah, now we gotta go get a new drill bit and some more supplies from the hardware store. Never fails. You never get everything you need from the hardware store. You're always having to make several trips.
Thankfully, it's only 10 minutes away.
That is nice.
But when is a hardware store not 10 minutes away?
Yeah. Since we don't have a drill bit, can't drill the rest of the holes. But we did check out the system to make sure, you know, everything's working smoothly. It's actually coming together really nice. Hopefully we can get the rest of the holes drilled by the end of the day and at least have this section squared away.